The overall goal of this procedure is to fabricate ultra-thin color films by using oblique angle deposition to control the porosity of the highly absorbent deposited film.
This method can help answer key questions about color purity and tunability in ultra-thin film coloration research.
The main advantage of this technique is that the porosity of the ultra-thin color films can be easily controlled.
The implications of this technique extend towards semiconductors and flexible electrodes because this nanofabrication process yields ultra-thin structures.
Though this method can provide insight into thin film coloration, it can also be applied to optical resonance applications in other wavelength ranges such as UV and IR.
To begin the procedure, first cut silicon wafers into 2 cm by 2 cm squares. Use a PTFE dipper to immerse the silicon substrates in a 6:1 buffered oxide etchant for 3 seconds. Load the etched substrates into a PTFE cleaning jig. Sonicate the substrates in acetone for 3 minutes. Then, rinse the substrates in isopropanol and deionized water in sequence. Dry the clean substrate with a nitrogen blowgun. Next, use forceps and carbon tape to fix the clean, dry substrates on a flat sample holder.